Now, but first, I'm delighted to have Amanda Organ and Christine Nassif on the show from Globecast. Why are you special? Because you're the only female guest we've been able to find at IBC that are willing to talk to us. So welcome. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kris.
Yeah, you're welcome to it's good to have you be.
We're a service provider working with broadcasters for a long time. I think we're more than 20 years. And we have connection, media connection everywhere. So we're big names. I can give you BBC.
Sure. So, I mean, you're a basic and key part of BBC's ability to get live events media into their playout chain. Same with ITV, same with Channel 4. But actually, you're all over Europe and the world providing those kinds of events. Is that right?
That's exactly right.
And you said earlier you'd been in business now for 20 years. How long? How is more than 20 years? Give or take a few.
Yeah.
How things changed at Globecast over that period in time? Have you changed dramatically in the way in which you're transforming now, or has it been steady state and now you're looking at a change?
No, I think we went through an interesting period recently with the media. I think media industry is going through a lot of challenges with everything going IP, IT. They are looking for new ways to deliver content all over the world. So because we're part of a bigger company, which is Orange, we got already our bigger infrastructure around the globe. So using that as a mother company, we became a digital native, so our digital transformation was easier. And that's how we're thinking to accompany our customers to their digital transformation as well.
And obviously, global reach is so important for a business like yours. What's the most difficult international area you found to connect?
I think there is no difficult international area because we are everywhere, and whenever you require that we send content, we can take it from one point to another without any difficult area. However, we got to work with some content owners that they got to do racing in Bolivia in an area where there is no internet and there is no connection. So that's how we use our satellite capacities to deliver content. So we got whether you're using fiber, internet, or of course our traditional satellite capacities.
And you mentioned earlier as well that Globecast have brought on board some new products, some new ideas to bring to the market. Tell us about that.
So as I told you about our being digital native, we're trying to introduce today. So usually we used to do the contribution for the events and their international distribution. So to accompany this, we thought that they need live streaming on social media. They need live to vote solutions as well to share highlights and to target this new digital audience that became a very important audience. And I will always advise to our customers that do a strategy, advertising strategy, and think about your traditional viewers, but don't forget your digital. So now you need to do a hybrid between both. And our new products, so we're launching with IBC today, the Digital Media Hub, Globecast Digital Media Hub. So because we are embedded everywhere, so we got virtual hubs connected together, and this hub we can provide your traditional distribution, but all those new services. And we got as well like content marketplace where we introduce broadcasters to content takers, and we let them exchange content and maybe one day buy content.
And your new platforms, are they hosted in the cloud or are they on-prem for you?
It's a multi-cloud. Everyone is talking cloud and moving into the cloud. However, putting content in the cloud is not expensive. However, retrieving the content from the cloud is very expensive. I think we need the clouds because scalability, because of disaster recovery. We need the cloud for testing channels. So today we're launching as well the concept of pop-up play-out channels. So we can launch a channel for a specific event, like the IBC example, and then after the IBC is done, the channel is done. So at that time, you don't need to build a complete infrastructure on-prem. You can use the cloud.
Yeah, that's definitely one of the key things that we're learning as well at Redby Media in terms of customer expectations is ability to fire up event-based channels, deal with live events, because live performances are the ones which drive audience figures up, and that's what broadcasters need in order to sell more advertising. So live's becoming an increasingly important element to a broadcaster's schedule.
Because it's the power of the momentum, it's the power of something going on. That's why we're trying to launch products where real time is, because we've known in the market with our quality to deliver live. So delivering live over for the channels, so we know that a channel is a challenge to get a proper live. And if you can deal with that hard thing, then you can deal with anything else.